Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. Pretty straightforward process. Here's what you need. One of the 1620 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're about $3-4. There's a link below in the description. And then you just need something small. I'm going to be using this small pair of needle nose pliers, but really there's a lot of options, and I'll show you what you need it for. Pull that key out. You can see the batteries here, but it's difficult to pull out because there's a tab here and a tab there. So what you want to do, let me zoom in here a little bit. What you want to do is kind of push that tab to the side, and you're going to hear like a little click. And then just try and give that a gentle pull, and you can see it's still kind of hung up there. So I'm going to give that a little bit further push. Pull that out. I'm just going to go ahead and use my thumb, release that. So basically on either side there's this clip. So go ahead and take out your old 1620 battery. You can take it out just with your fingers. Take out your old one. The new battery, make sure it goes in this orientation. And this just clips right back in here. And then remove your key, or put your key back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.